Cool, what's up? Today we're doing a new valve cover on my RSX because it's leaking oil everywhere, like a typical Honda. So let's get to it. Pop these two off. 1, 2, 3. Should be same. 4, 5, and 6 in the back there.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, we need an underhood light.
I got my flashlight.
Got a better idea. Like this. Right. These ones are gonna be freaking nice, but I didn't have really a way to hang them up. So I decided not to run them.
That's fair. Ooh.
Then
Also, just feed it through here. Feed it through that and let just balance it. Yeah, there you go. Oh, almost. There we go.
just literally.
Hey, perfect.
Cool. That actually gives you a lot of light.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Yeah, you can see so much now. And you can see so much now too.
Yeah, it's gonna work.
Cool. Let's get into it.
All right. Cool. Montage. Crease. Just cram it on in there. Oh, there's where that little piece was. So this is a nice one. This is a Felpro. If you don't know Felpro, you don't really know cars. They make the best gaskets in the biz.
You can hear that click.
No, it's cracking. It's literally
Oh, wow,
cracking.
That just hit me in the eye.
It,
Ow. Holy cow.
gosh, this is bad.
So someone didn't take their care. This is what happens when you don't do maintenance on your car,
Yeah.
FYI. Like, this is not supposed to look like this.
I've only had this.
Jeez, man.
Alright guys, so today we got a little dirty and we did a valve cover gasket job on the Honda. This is another reason why you should do your own work. Whoever owned my car for me did not like to work on it. I can tell, as that valve cover gasket was basically plastic. So when you're wrenching on your car, making it nice to drive, make sure to keep it original.